Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing very well, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is Judge Me. Judge Me is a popular product review app for Shopify store that helps online merchant collect, display and manage customer reviews. It's widely used to build trust, boost conversation and enhance store's reputation through social proof. So in this video I am going to review these apps, or it will be a complete review for you guys. So how to add reviews on Shopify store. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already on our Shopify admin panel, and this is our website. If you visit the in front design, then you will allow to see the design we already created. And now I'm going to make a product on here. So click over here, product, and then I will make sure the title will be headphone or mini boya for beginners. And then I'm going to upload a picture over that place, and once I upload it, I will make sure the price will be 580 and the inventory. So you need to be make sure that inventory will be 100, and then I will just click over here in the save button. Once I click over here, it will take a while to save it, then I can allow to visit this on my store. Just refresh it. Once you refresh it, now you can allow to see it. Just click over here, and here something is missing, that is review. Like if you want to enhance your trustability, then you need some reviews for your customers so they can trust you through this review, or they can engage you by reading this review. So here I am going to install judge.me in my Shopify store. That for reason I am going to click on apps. Once I click over here, they will give me option for upload or search any apps through these options, but I'm going to click on add apps, and then I will click on Shopify app store, and then it will take a while and also redirect me to the next page where I am allowed to download whatever I want. As you can see, this is a Shopify app store. It is similar like Play Store and Apple Store. You can find out any apps from this store who is allowed to integrate with Shopify. Here you can see we already have some popular with stores like yours. Here you can see these are the apps, or I can say apps that will be popular for my store. Here you can see this is the platform we are looking for, just.me. Just remember the name, and let's go and install it. Just click over here, install. Once I click over here, it will take a while and it will be redirect to us in here where we are allowed to install it. Just click over here and wait a while. Once it installed perfectly in your website, now you will get something interface like this where you will get welcome message, then setting language, widgets and email language and many more. Just click on start setup. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then they will ask you to enable app embedded option. App embedded is required for reviews to show properly in your store. Click on the button below to open a new window. Just click here. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the customize panel where you can add or customize your element through Shopify. This is the Shopify editor panel. So here you can see we have the option for Judge Me, and it already enabled. As you can see, Judge.me activated. So I'm going to save it. Just click over here, save, and it will be enabled perfectly or integrated with our website perfectly. Now we can do our next process. So now I will come over here, and now you can see it already does that our website is associated with just.me, and we already enable some script. So I'm going to click on install review widget. Just click over here and it will take a loading, and then it will come again, and here you will find out this called the widgets over here. So here you can see we already added review widgets over that place. So let's check this out. Here you can see the eventual result. This is customer reviews option, review widget. Next they are giving us some other option. Let's click on this platform, and here it will take a while. You need to be make sure here it will be activated. Without it, you are not allowed to go into the next panel. Again, click over here, and then you just need to be click on save. Here you just click on to the save, and once you click over here save, it will take a while. And now if you click this, it will be perfectly widget block installed. So you can see, so now they are asking for install the star rating badge. So similarly you need to be follow the same process like we do in previous step. Just click over here, install star rating, and it will take a while. Similarly, once you visit that place, you need to be click on save. Without clicking on save, it will be not work. So that for reason, just click over here. As you can see, this is the new widget. So I'm going to click on save. Once I click over here, then it will take a while again, and now we are click over here and it will be enabled perfectly. Have a look. Let's click it again. Why we are getting issues? So we need to be find out the problem or the solution why it is not working. So let's click on the save, and once we click on the save, the problem has been solved. Maybe let's check this out and click on here, and let's see. Yes, you can see widget block install, and here they are asking for set up your branding. Like branding means the color. What color do you want? I want yellow, so let's go and check or make it yellow, and let's install logo URL. It is optional, you can paste it or full the frame, but I will leave it. So I'm going to click on continue, and now you can see this is the main process. Like it is one of the essential thing, like automatic review request. Last step, we will start sending review request emails for you and new orders automatically. Please confirm the timing below. So you can make it 10, 12, 7, whatever you want. Just click over here finish, and now you can see congratulations, well done. You are now ready to collect reviews and display them in your store. Explore, judge me. Let's click over here. Like our all work has been done. Now we just allowed to collect reviews section, or we can import our review, whatever we want. We are allowed to do it with our Judge Me platform. Try awesome plan. So continue using free plan, and now let's explore one by one. Here you can manage your review, you can import reviews, track review request, you can collect reviews from that place. So here if you click on more action, then you will find out cancel unset request. Also we have the widget panel where you can add further more option in here. Like you need to be click on install. Once you click over here install, it will redirect you to the new tab, and here you need to be follow the similar process again, and you can see that our review carousel has been added in here. So if you have the review, then you are allowed to watch it in that place. So we don't, that's why we are not allowed to visit that place. So you can install one by one everything if you need it. So you will need to be explore it. Then let's go into the marketing and social. Here you can see we have coupons code option. Here if you want to purchase, like you can read coupon, encourage customer to write reviews and share their experience. It also helps to turn a first time buyer into a return customer. Create a flow to send coupons automatically after customer leave a review. So you think how amazing the process. This way you can increase your sales. Like someone giving a review and suddenly he get a coupon code who has 20% off or 30% off, he will second time he will come back again and also will provide a review again. This way you are increasing your business. This will be the advantages you are getting from this app. So I hope you need to be understand furthermore like general setting. If you visit that place where you are allowed to use your admin language to add date and location format. So I hope this video was fully helpful for you. If you have any question related to this video, you are allowed to ask me on the comment box. And if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.